Uh, this is Joey Chai speaking. We come from Taiwan. Our company name is Soundplug Electronic Company, Little Minute. And our product is about headset. And you can see our headset and crap secrets. And also we also made XLR connector and XLR traces. Also, mini XLR is also our products. And also we also made some plug and connector adapter. We made all these products in Taiwan because we are manufacturers. So our products we can based on customer requirement. So if you have any requirement, just tell us. And you also can find our all information on our website. Our website is www.soundplugtw.com. That is our company. Yeah, thank you.